In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create breakout rooms in Google Meet. First, sign into your Google account and join your meeting as the host. Breakout rooms can only be created by the meeting host, so make sure you're using the correct account and that you have host controls. If you're co-hosting, confirm that host management is on so you can help manage rooms smoothly. Once you're in the meeting, look to the bottom right corner of the screen for the Meeting Tools icon, which appears as a small grid of dots. Click it, then choose Breakout Rooms. Depending on your interface, this menu may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the option that opens the Breakout Room Setup panel. Next, decide how many rooms you want. Enter the number that fits your activity or discussion format. You can keep the default room names or optionally rename them to match topics or teams. This helps participants find where they belong at a glance. Now set a timer for the rooms. This is the duration each group will have to work before everyone returns to the main session. A clear timer keeps discussions focused and makes transitions predictable. If you expect robust conversation, give a few extra minutes. If the goal is quick brainstorming, keep it short and sharp. When the timer ends, rooms can close automatically and bring everyone back, which saves you from micromanaging the clock. Assign participants to rooms. You can distribute people manually, which is great for grouping by role or topic, or use the shuffle option to randomize and keep things fair and fast. Drag and drop participants to fine-tune the balance, especially if you want even numbers or to keep certain collaborators together. Before launching, click the info option to review the setup at a glance. This is a good moment to double-check the number of rooms, the timer, and who is going where. If you plan to share prompts or links, have them ready so you can post them to everyone once the rooms open. When you're satisfied, click Open Rooms. Participants will be prompted to join their assigned room, and you'll see controls to join any room, move people if needed, and keep an eye on the timer. Use brief check-ins to support groups, and consider a short broadcast message to remind everyone of the goal and the remaining time. Finally, note that breakout rooms are available with Google Workspace. If you don't see this feature, check your subscription or contact your administrator. The setup process remains the same once it's enabled.